Yeah.
So in the first position, all lights are off. In the second position, all the nav lights turn on with green and red and flashers on the side. Two separate LEDs in each wingtip. And then in the third position, landing lights on with the strobes going slower. So we go back to the second position, turning the landing lights off. And then to the off position so that I can fly during the day.
Tonight we will be flying a nighttime maiden flight of John McBride's Seawind with some badass lights. Now unfortunately you can't see John right now, but
Hunk RC's night light kit.
Alright.
A quick taxi test.
Very good. And we have liftoff. Looks like a damn UFO. I'm having a hard time trying to follow it, but it's a very quick little plane, once again a Seawind. Perfect landing.
See all the nav lights on there with anti-collision in the rear. Landing lights off. Lights on. I think we should take another flight.
I think so too.
That was in the low rates. You want to go down a little further and try to make it over your head?
Yeah, just don't hit me.
All right.
Hold on. Alright, whenever you're ready. Nice. Again, we'll mention that even though the camera doesn't follow it real well, you can obviously see it there. There's a little dot, but the focus is the only hard thing. Those landing lights are on now, and obviously you can see that very well. It's awesome. Coming back in for a landing. Again, landing lights are on, just doesn't focus. And she's on the ground. Nice flight, John.